Welcome to RIE Coatings. RIE Coatings is a leader in providing solutions for customer corrosion mitigation and product enhancement needs around the world through the application of high-performance surface coating technologies. Founded in 1987, RIE operates two facilities located in Minnesota and Iowa, where dedicated teams of operations and technical professionals work to exceed client expectations in quality, service, and support. As a licensed applicator for many of the world's premier chemical providers, RIE seeks to understand real-world customer issues and work hand-in-hand with those clients to provide lasting and permanent solutions to both common and unique metal finishing issues. RIE's two modern facilities offer a unique combination of high-volume dip spin processing equipment, smaller low-volume bulk processing, and a hand spray department for unique geometries and applications. Supported by a technical staff with over 60 combined years of coating experience, as well as an in-house quality and testing laboratory, RIE strives to provide technical insights and problem solving that are unequaled in the industry. RIE serves diverse industries such as transportation, construction, energy, agriculture, military, electronics, and many others, both directly and through a wide network of distribution and tier partners. Let us know how RIE Coatings might serve your business. And thanks for visiting.